and welcome back to Aliena's Kitchen. As you can clearly see, I'm not in my kitchen today. I am actually on location and I'm going to be making a blood orange spicy margarita. This margarita is so tasty, made with fresh ingredients, and it's perfect for Cinco de Mayo. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do in making our margarita is start muddling together some things. So to make it spicy, I'm using jalapeno, and I'm doubling my recipe today, but if you just are making it for one person, you can cut it in half. So I used about 3/4 of my jalapeno because I like it spicy, but this one is up to you depending on how spicy you like your margaritas. And to that, I also added a big handful of fresh cilantro, and I muddled it all together. I don't know if you can see it, but it's quite crushed up. And to that, I'm going to be adding the rest of my ingredients. The first thing I'm going to do to make my margarita is zest about half of a lime, and this I'm actually going to put on the rim of my glass with the salt to give just a little extra flavor, and then I'm going to take my lime and juice it into my margarita. So today I'm using the juice of one whole lime, just because I love the flavor of lime. And to make these blood orange margaritas, we have to have our blood oranges. I really love these types of oranges. I think they have a really great flavor, and I also love the color, so that's an added bonus. So I'm going to be adding freshly squeezed blood oranges, and I've already done this because it takes me quite a long time to do. And I have 4 ounces of it, and I'm just going to pour it into my shaker. And along with that, to add the sweetness, I'm just using some agave. So I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of agave, but you can add more or less depending on how sweet you like yours. Also, let me know if you like this location. I'm trying to branch out and go to new places, so let me know what you think. Now, the most important part of the margarita, in my opinion, is the booze. So today I'm just using tequila, because you gotta have tequila. And I'm going to be adding in 1.5 ounces. I'm gonna try to measure this perfectly. Actually, wait, I'm doubling the recipe. I'm adding 3 ounces. Next, I'm going to be adding in my triple sec, and I have 1 ounce of triple sec that I'm going to be adding in. Now, the last thing I'm going to do before I can have my margarita is do my salt rim for the glass. So I'm just going to pour a pretty good amount of salt, probably more than I need, into my lime zest. Give it a little shake so it's all combined, like so. And now I'm just going to wet the rim of my glass a little bit. And the margarita's right here, so it works. Promise you, my hands are clean. And I'm just going to dip it into my salt and give it a little twist. Voila! Here we have our salt-rimmed glass. And also, what I like to do, just as a little garnish, is put a little slice of orange on the side of it. Gotta make it look fancy, right? Like so. And now the last part, having my margarita and shaking it all together. And now the last thing I'm going to do before I can drink my margarita is add just a pretty good pour of Grand Marnier, just a splash on top to give it a really nice flavor. There we go. Voila. Let's see how she tastes. This is always my favorite part, I'm not gonna lie. So tasty, so fruity. You have that little kick from the jalapeno, which I love, and I love having a salt-rimmed glass because it adds that extra punch of salt. It's so tasty. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.